Assalamu alaikum. It's a great privilege to be here for a few minutes among all the bright future students who have out performance. Particularly, this program has brought the presence of Justice Kajju and Santosh Shegde Sahab and Madam Sudha Sahab, Justice Sudha. It looks that the very presence of them, all the students here should take the inspiration. I don't know, many of you may know much about them, but I appeal and I request you, you should, whatever resources you have, you try to see, then you will definitely get the inspiration. Today you are here as students. Tomorrow, you are the future of this country. Most of you are appearing for the UPSC exams, medical exams, and services. Whether you become a doctor or you become a IPS officer or IAS officers, the motive is service to the humanity, service to the country, service to the nation. That should be the motive behind. Whatever background you might have come, whatever background you must have been brought up, but your focus on studies and your intention that you should achieve, as Mr. Subhan said, to dream. The dream should be a bigger dream. Everybody should have a dream. And most of you here, I believe you must be having a dream. And you must be having a good intention. That intent what you have, if you work with focus, I believe Allah Ta'ala will show the ways, and you will get the achievements and you will be successful citizens of this country. And I am very proud that a young man like Subhan, with his conviction, with his vision, I saw him from quite closely from many years. Every time he comes out with some great assignments, he always dream big. And I think that his intentions are good. That's why the success is coming to him. Allah is kind to him. Allah is showing the ways to him. So today he has become a household name, not only in Bangalore, not only in Karnataka, also many neighboring states. I wish him all the best. And I also, most of the young students are also there. My only request to you is, today Mr. Rizwan Asad said that तालीम की बहुत सख्त ज़रूरत है, और मुझे ये बताना भी आप लोगों को बड़ी खुशी के साथ बताना चाहता हूँ कि अभी तकरीबन कर्नाटका के अंदर जैसा प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेस में IAS, IPS, KS इस तरीके के एग्ज़ाम्स होते हैं, यहाँ पर KSAT एक एग्ज़ाम होता है, KSAT कहते हैं उसको. There are only those students who have been qualified with double graduation, like MA, MSc, MCom, they are qualified to sit in the exam. It is been conducted by Karnataka Examination Authority, KEA. Totally large number of students participated. 10,000 students have got through, passed. Out of 10,000 students, category B, 1,800 students have cleared. And I am very proud to tell you, in general merit, another 1,000 students of our community have cleared. Totally out of 10,000, 2,800 boys and girls have cleared those exams. That is the qualification to become a lecturer in the colleges. All those guys who have cleared 2,800 boys and girls, they will be employed as lecturers in the colleges. It's a history. I mean, I could see our students, our parents, they are now looking forward that their children should be qualified, they should be given education, मतलब उनको तालीम देना चाहिए, मतलब हर तरीक़े से, मतलब मैं देख रहा हूँ कि बहुत कोशिश हो रही है पेरेंट्स के अंदर, अच्छी से अच्छी कॉलेज में जमाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. यही उसका नतीजा है कि अभी आपने ये भी देखा होगा, we have nearly about 80 Morarji Desai residential schools in Karnataka. Totally about 80 Morarji Desai residential schools are there in Karnataka. 80 स्कूल में वहाँ पर बच्चों को रहने के लिए, उनका खाना पीना रहना पढ़ाई सब कुछ फ्री होती है. और वहाँ का जो रिजल्ट इस बार आया है, it is 92%. I am very happy to share this information. And we also have nearly about 280 Maulana Abul Kalam Azad schools. That we have to still improve there. That the average results what we have got this time is somewhere near 62%. But still I think we should be able to make better performance in Maulana Abul Kalam Azad schools. And as you know, the government is also having an arrangement in Hajj House. We are conducting the classes for UPSC, KS, and there also we are tied up with some of the faculties from Delhi and all. They are teaching them, coaching them. It's a second year. When we called for the application, we are supposed to take about 360 students. When we called for the application, we got a huge number of applications, something like more than 20,000 applications had come. So likewise, there is a revolution. I can say that there is a movement in the community. Allah का फजल है कि हमारे लोगों के अंदर एक तरफ से तालीमी मैदान में दिलचस्पी ले रहे हैं और बच्चों को पढ़ाने की कोशिश हो रही है. मैं समझता हूँ कि ये कोशिश अगर आगे इसी तरीके से होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चे भी फोकस होकर अगर पढ़ेंगे तो कामयाबी ज़रूर आपको कामयाबी मिलेगी. मैं एक बार फिर फाल्कन इंस्टीट्यूशन को मुबारकबाद देता हूँ कि आप लोगों ने एक रेवोल्यूशन लाया है कि बहुत कम दिनों के अंदर आप लोगों ने ये बताया है कि अगर कोशिश सही तरीके से होती है तो उसमें कामयाबी भी मिलती है. बस इन चंद अल्फाज के साथ मैं अपनी जगह लेता हूँ. अल्लाह हाफिज़.